we are facing most likely one of the largest snowstorms in the history of this city, in the recorded history of this city. So my message to all New Yorkers is prepare for something worse than we have seen before. Prepare to be safe.
It's actually still pretty early in the afternoon, maybe about 1 o'clock, so snow is already falling, but not that much at all. So I'm gonna give you guys a view. As you guys see, it's barely sticking to the ground. Being born and raised in New York, I'm very familiar with snow and I'm a huge fan of it, but this is supposedly gonna be one of the biggest blizzards that New York has ever experienced, so I thought it'd be great to document it for you guys. And I'm sure there's a lot of happy kids out there because today is no school, it's a snow day. Other than that, guys, remember, stay motivated and may you're gonna be as big as an elephant. Take care.